Very good morning to all my lovely Patayans. So today I am going to tell you about your EV1 computer activity. Okay. So your activity is of 10 marks. We have divided into 5 and 5, 5 marks each. For 5 marks you have to prepare a speech on the topics. I'll tell you about the topics also, and I explain also what you have to do in that topics, and you have to speak on those topics for 1.5 minutes. That is the time given to you. Okay, so you have to prepare the topic and you can use the props as well. आप props भी use कर सकते हैं. And the 5 marks activity that you have to send the pic. Okay, I will explain the activity also, and आपको साथ में उस एक्टिविटी की पिक लेनी है अपने साथ. यू हैव टू मेंशन योर क्लास सेक्शन. ओके, ऑन दैट योर नेम, योर क्लास, योर सेक्शन. ओके, एंड देन यू हैव टू क्लिक द पिक्चर आफ्टर मेकिंग दैट एक्टिविटी एंड यू हैव टू सेंड टू मी. ओके, so I'll explain one by one both the activities. Okay, so let's start. So this is your EV1 computer activity. As you all know, your activity will be of 10 marks. So I have divided into two activities. Activity 1 5 marks, activity 2 5 marks. Okay, so first activity 1 is a speech. So these are the topics which you have to prepare: Windows 7, memory of computer, classification of computers. So you have to speak on these topics during the live class, during the Zoom session, and it will be of 1.5 minutes. You have to speak for 1.5 minutes. Every student will get 1 minute, maximum 1.5 minutes. इससे ज़्यादा टाइम किसी को भी नहीं मिलेगा. सो आपको इनमें से कोई भी एक टॉपिक प्रिपेयर करना है. यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर एनी वन टॉपिक, नॉट ऑल, एनी वन. ओके, लाइक विंडोज 7. इन विंडोज 7 यू कैन टेल अबाउट विंडोज 7 फीचर्स in Windows 7, and memory of computer you can tell about memory. Then you can tell the types of memory, RAM and ROM you can explain. Then in classification of computer you can tell the classification. Pick any one classification, like according to purpose or according to size. So जब आप practice करो, make sure you will finish in 1 minute or maximum 1.5 minute. So जितना आप 1 minute और 1.5 minute में बोल सकते हो उतना ही आपको प्रिपेयर करना है. ओके, time limit 1.5 minutes maximum I have told you. And the criteria according to which your assessment will be done is content. आप क्या बोलोगे, क्या कंटेंट आपने लिया है, 2.5 मार्क्स. प्रेजेंटेशन, आप कैसे प्रेजेंट कर रहे हो टॉपिक को, 2 marks for that. And while presenting, while speaking, you can use the props related to your topic. आप props भी use कर सकते हो. You can take a small A4 sheet, A4 size sheet or A3 sheet. You can write the topic's name, your name, class, section and all that. Okay, and you and rules, half mark. You have to follow all the rules, like you must be in your brown uniform. Okay, and smartly dress up, well combed and well prepared. So this is your activity 1 which will be conducted during your live Zoom session. Okay, now we'll come to activity 2. Activity 2, again it is of 5 marks. You have to draw and color also. Okay, any 3 components of system unit and label them on a A3 size sheet. Okay, so कोई भी 3 components आपको ड्रॉ करने हैं, कलर करने हैं और उनको लेबल करना है. लेबल मीन्स यू हैव टू राइट देयर नेम. ओके, A3 साइज शीट पे आपको बनाना है. यू कैन यूज़ द कलर्ड शीट. ओके, एंड हेयर इज़ द असेसमेंट क्राइटेरिया फॉर दिस क्रिएटिविटी. आप उसमें कितनी क्रिएटिविटी दिखाओगे, दैट इज़ 2.5 मार्क्स. एक्यूरेसी, कितना एक्यूरेट आपने बनाया है, आपने लिखा है जो भी, वो कितना करेक्ट है. एंड नीटनेस, कितनी नीटनेस के साथ आपने उसको बनाया है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स द रूल्स. सो फॉर दिस एक्टिविटी यू हैव टू सेंड मी द पिक. आपको पिक सेंड करनी है एक्टिविटी 2 की. सो यू हैव टू सेंड द पिक. पिक you have to click again in your brown uniform, well dressed, well combed, and you have to hold this A3 size sheet in your hand, and then you have to click the picture, and it must be in landscape mode. आपकी जो भी पिक्चर आप क्लिक करोगे वो लैंडस्केप मोड में होनी चाहिए. ओके, मीन्स हॉरिजॉन्टली. आई विल एक्सप्लेन दैट ऑल्सो. सी, आपकी फ़ोन की पोजीशन ये होनी चाहिए. दिस इज़ द हॉरिजॉन्टल पोजीशन, और जिसे हम लैंडस्केप पोजीशन कहते हैं. ओके, इफ़ यू विल प्लेस द फोन लाइक दिस एंड यू विल क्लिक द पिक्चर लाइक दिस, दिस विल नॉट बी एक्सेप्टेड. सो यू हैव टू होल्ड द फोन in this position. Okay, and on that A3 size sheet you must mention your name, class and section also. Now I'll explain how you are going to draw these. So let's start. So these are the things which are required for doing activity 2. So first of all you are going to write computer activity 2, components of system unit. So we'll have to draw here any 3 components. So we need scale, pencil, eraser and colors, because we'll make it attractive to look beautiful, and you have to show your creativity. आप अपनी कितनी creativity इसमें दिखाओगे, I'm going to check that. Okay, so let's start now. So first we are going to make a CPU chip. So let's start. So first of all you have to make a square box. पहले हम एक square box बनाएंगे. Now we'll start the next step. So now you have to make one rounded square and then its outer part, this one. So this shape you have to give. Okay, and now we'll write here Intel and we'll make a Intel logo here. Okay, and then our CPU chip will be ready. So we'll make the logo. So this is the Intel logo. Okay, now we'll after completing this we'll make the outline with black color. Okay, so let's do the outline. So after boundary we have done, outline we have done. Now this will color with the silver crayon color. Okay, so this way you can complete the coloring part here. Okay, so now next we'll make the RAM. Okay, RAM chip बनाएंगे हम, and we'll make system unit also, as we are doing the components of system unit. Will make that also. Okay, so first we'll make this outer part, then we'll make these 3 boxes this side and 3 boxes this side, and these boxes will color with black and the background will color with green color. Okay, so let's do it. So this way you can color it. So your RAM is ready. Okay, now we'll make a ROM chip. Okay, so first of all we'll make this upper part like this. Now we'll make the next. Now we'll make it like this. Okay, now we'll make small pins here. Okay, जो कि फिक्स होती हैं. जब हम इसको मदरबोर्ड पे फिक्स करते हैं तो वही पिन्स जो है मदरबोर्ड के अंदर जाती हैं. ओके, सॉकेट में. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो दिस वे वी हैव टू मेक द पिन्स. नाउ विल do the outline of it. So let's start. So this way you have to color the ROM chip. Okay, so we have made 3 components, and now we'll make one system unit also. So to make a system unit, first of all we'll make 2 vertical lines. So let's start. So this way we'll made a CPU. Now we'll make its outline and we'll color it, and after that हम इनको क्या करेंगे, label. Yes, we are going to write their names. Okay, so let's finish it fast. So this way you can see I have labeled them also: system unit, CPU chip, ROM, RAM. So, and you can see the neatness here, and at the right bottom corner you have to write your name, class and section. Okay, so I am looking forward to see your creativity, how much creative you are, and do the activity nicely. And again I am telling you, you have to send the pic of this activity. इसकी आपको पिक क्लिक करके सेंड करनी है, और पिक को आप कैसे सेंड करेंगे, यू हैव टू टेक द पिक इन लैंडस्केप मोड. लैंडस्केप मोड में आप लोगे, दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड यू, एंड यू हैव टू टेक द पिक्चर ऑफ दिस एक्टिविटी विद यू. अपने साथ आपको ये पिक्चर की एक्टिविटी की पिक लेनी है. ये नहीं कि सिर्फ आपने एक्टिविटी की पिक सेंड करनी है, नो. एंड यू विल बी वेल ड्रेस्ड इन ब्राउन यूनिफॉर्म, वेल कॉम्ड. ओके, so all the best, good luck, thank you.